Trendsetters! Welcome to Rosho Channel. I'm your host, Angeline Manao. Sa podcast na ito, sama-sama tayong sumabay sa mga latest trends, fads, at sa usapang pangmasa. Mula sa viral challenges hanggang sa mga hot topics. So, tara na! Let's get this fix! Okay, let's welcome our guest who will answer the questions for today. Hi! 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 Hi, everyone! Okay, please everybody take your seat. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, pwede nyo bang munang ipakilala ang mga sarili?
So, I'm Leonard.
So, good day everyone, I am Shani.
So, hi everyone, I am Junalyn.
Hi everyone, I am Angie.
Hi everyone, I am Minya.
Hi, I'm Ishi.
Hi, I'm Angie.
Good day everyone, my name is Ria.
Hi everyone, my name is Mas Adler.
Hey, bago tayo magsimula, kumusta naman kayo? Or ano yung nafe-feel nyo na yun na kasama namin kayo dito?
Okay lang.
Yes! So excited! Today, our topic is entitled Trend or Fad, the truth behind what is trending. Today, we're breaking down three majors, which are social media challenges, fast fashion, microtrend, and beauty filters. And now, our first question is all about social media challenges. This is exactly the kind of things that make us ask, trend or fad? Okay, Leonard, what do you think about this?
So, social media challenges are becoming more popular because it is easy, fun, and also it doesn't require a special devices to participate. So, people or participants are driven to participate not just for fun but also for likes, views, and or for the recognition and online. So as the social challenges goes on, a lot of people participate to it for fun. That's all.
Yeah, that's true. But not all challenges last for a long time. Hindi lahat ng online challenges ay tumatagal dahil marami rin sa kanila yung biglang sumisikat ngunit bigla na lang ito hindi na sumisikat. Makikita natin or as we all know na ang mga tao ay madaling magsawa. Yes. Nakikita natin yan kasi just like yung jeans na sumisikat ngayon or maraming tao yung bumibili. Maraming karamihan sa mga tao ngayon yung bumibili ngunit tumagal-tagal yung parang hindi nila nagugustuhan or like nagsasawa na sila. Also, kapag kasi may bagong trend or like mayroon na rin bagong mga sumisikat like sa social media or sa mga content na ginagawa ng mga tao, madali na nilang hindi na nila nagugustuhan yung binili nilang una at lilipat na rin sila sa mga bago. Kasi yung mga tao ngayon pinagtutuunan nila yung pansin yung mga bago kaysa sa mga hindi nila nagugustuhan like pinapabayaan nila sa bagay yung mga tao ngayon like mas gusto nila yung bago kaysa sa luma or yung makikita natin sa mga tao ngayon na hindi lahat ng attention nila o yung mga interest nila ay sa mga luma. Gusto nila yung bago at yung marami nagkakagusto rin. Like sumasama sila sa mga bagong
patong.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And also, ang mga tao kasi ngayon like nagbabase kasi sila sa social media like kung ano yung lumalabas, doon sila like kumukuha ng content or doon sila hindi sila basta-basta gumagawa kung wala silang like pinagtutuunan ng pansin or wala silang yung mga tao na gumagawa rin, like, pari-pareho sila, like, nagkakagusto rin sa isang bagay. Yes.
But also, the social media also have a positive side. The positive thing, it can provide positive things like it can help others through
Yes.
encouraging their creativity, building their skills, like dancing, singing, arts, like that. Like an example, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. The Ice
Yes.
Bucket Challenge, it raised $220 that health association and charity that, and also the health, it also promote health, good health, and like also the challenge of the no makeup selfie challenge. It promotes good health for the individuals or in that teenager, especially the teenagers. Also the social media challenges, it encourage the individual, especially who are lonely in real life, to participate in the challenges so that they can enjoy themselves. They can interact with others through social media. That's why social media can also have a positive side, not just a negative side.
Yes.
Yeah, tama talaga yung mga idea nyo, yung mga sinasabi nyo. Kasi marami talaga mga bagay na madali lang sumikat, pero madali din silang mawala.
Yes.
And also, may mga positive and negative talaga sila. So, thank you everyone. So now, let's proceed to our second question. Okay, our second question is all about fast fashion microtrend. Again, trend or fad? Okay, Angie, what exactly are microtrend?
So, okay, thank you. When we say microtrend in fashion, ito yung mga specific clothing styles or aesthetics that experience an extremely rapid rise in popularity. Meaning, biglaan silang nagiging viral or sikat. But they only have a very short lifespan. Meaning, they can only last for like a few weeks or a few months only. Ang main reason kung bakit napakabilis ng ganitong klase ng mga trends na sumikat ay dahil sa iba't ibang social media platforms like IG, YouTube, and TikTok, yung mga ganon.
So the problem here is this outfit get popular so fast so that people feel pressured to buy new clothes constantly. And also one of their problem is money. Ang mga tao wala silang sapat na pera para bumili ng mga trending na mga damit kasi masyado itong mga mamahalin. Kahit na meron silang mga damit na pwedeng isuot, mas ginusto nila na bumili ng mga trending na mga damit upang para makasabay sila sa
Yes.
uso. So for example is celebrities na nagpo-post na kanilang mga new outfit. So ang mga tao is makikita yun at iisipin nila na kailangan nila na bumili ng ganoong damit para mas makilala or pwede silang mag-post sa social media.
Also, when the trends die, the clothes that we bought that keep up with the trend, we tend to forget about it, and we usually don't wear it sometimes, only if you can, because it's trending, you know. And because microtrend change very quickly, as Nina said, people feel pressured on the new styles, even though they don't need that clothes or something like that. And because of this, it leads to more wasting of clothes and money. And through this, it can impact the environment, you know, that kind of fun. And also, because of this, microtrends are considered as fad because they don't last long.
Yes, tama talaga yung mga idea niyo. Pag may trending talaga, gagawin lahat, makasabay lang talaga sa Yes. Okay, thank you. So now, let's proceed to the third question, which is the beauty filters. Okay, our last topic is all about beauty filters. Okay, now let's ask again the big question. Trend or fad? Okay, Miles, let's start us off. Listen, let's.
So, ginagawa ng filter ay mas pinapaganda tingnan ng itsura kasi nilalabas nila yung pinaka-polish ng version ng mukha natin ginagawa itong flawless ang ating mukha, hindi makikita ang flaws, pero hindi ito ang real life. Kaya normal lang sa mga iba at mas natural ang itsura ng tao sa off camera.
Relying too much on the filters can negatively affect the self-confidence. Kapag ang isang tao ay palaging gumagamit ng filters, they might start to believe that their filter too is the only attractive version. Then, when they compare their real look to the filter-edited one, it can bring unrealistic expectation. Then, pwede itong makabawasan ng tiwala sa sarili, thinking that their natural look is not enough. Then over time, it can bring the insecurity and pressure to look perfect all the time.
So, even though yung paggamit ng filters can be fun and creative, yung mga trends, it reminds us na mas mahalaga talaga yung natural beauty because it shows who you really are or kung sino ka talaga. And I think yung filters, it also affects how we communicate because minsan may mga tao talaga na they would feel nervous to show their real faces on video calls or photos. So while filters are trending, it's important to us to use them responsibly and stay confident in who we are. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone sa mga makabuluhan yung mga idea. So now, sa pagtatapos ng ating show, tinalakay natin ang tatlong mga mahahalagang bagay. At ang una ay ang social media challenges. It is fun but often temporarily bad. And pangalawa naman ay yung fast fashion micro trend. It is exciting but often short-lived wasteful. And next, the last one is beauty filter. It is a popular trend that can shape self-image and confidence. And also guys, trend come and go, but understanding the difference help us make
Unique.
Yes, unique. Yes. So, guys, bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa ating mga amazing speakers at sa inyo na rin, mga karosyo. At dito lang tayo. And see you. Bye.
Bye.